Welcome. You are watching the campus news from Holy Cross College Nagercoil. News for the second half of October 2024. The 17th of October 2024. Spare and Share. The Spare and Share event, a novel initiative by the PG and Research Department of Economics to commemorate the International Day for Eradication of Poverty, was materialized by the students who took the lead in distributing food packets to those in need in and around the Anna bus stand, Nagercoil. The event not only provided immediate support to the less fortunate, but also served as an important lesson in compassion and community service. The 25th of October 2024, Fashion Festina Expo. The Department of Costume Design and Fashion organized Fashion Festina Expo, an exhibition of products developed by students of the department. The expo, that was opened by Dr. Sister Sahai Selvi, the principal of the college, featured exhibits such as Ari work, machine and hand embroidered apparel made by the students. The exhibition provided a platform to the students to showcase the work done by them, and the best exhibit was judged based on creativity in design and presentation, encouraging innovation and skill development in the students. Rural Camp. The students of the Department of Social Work camped at the Pattarivillai village of the Kurundangodu Gram Panchayat of Kanyakumari district. Dr. Vinolia Josephine Mary, the controller of examinations at our college, inaugurated the rural camp. The social work trainees organized training programs on folk art forms, performed street plays, created drug and social awareness, sensitized members of the rural community on the protection of child rights, and received practical exposure in rural engagement and in the implementation of social work practices to address local needs. Father Bright Singh, the parish priest, and the members of the Pattarivillai parish were instrumental in ensuring the smooth conduct of the camp. These are the latest from the campus. Holy Cross College Nagercoil takes pride in its winning streak that continues in each day and every minute of the year. Stay tuned until we meet in another edition of Campus News. Thank you.